Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Disha Ahuja, Marketing Manager for Kosh Mountain College. So let's just wait for 30-40 more seconds so that all the attendees can join us. I think we shall start by the time everyone else can also join us. Again, I am Disha Ahuja, Marketing Manager for Kosh Mountain College, and today I am live on Facebook page of Brain Edge Private Limited, Brain Edge Education Private Limited, and today I am here to discuss more about Kosh Mountain College. In this live session, you can expect information like what all programs that we offer, intakes that we offer, admission requirements and everything. So let's get started. So first let me tell you about where we are located. So Kosh Mountain College is in Canada country and we are in British Columbia province. Now we are at northwest side of British Columbia. If I talk about distance from Vancouver to Terrace, Terrace is where our main campus is. So distance from Vancouver to Terrace comes around 1.5 hour via short flight. The distance that I am telling you is via air, that is 1.5 hours. Now CMTN is a public institution from 1975. Formerly we were known as NWCC, that is North West Community College. In 2017 the name has been changed to Kosh Mountain College. We have 5 regional campuses and we offer 3 campuses to international students. The campuses that are offered to international students are Terrace, Prince Rupert and Smithers. Now Terrace, Prince Rupert and Smithers, these are the 3 campuses that are offered to international students, and if I talk about distance between them, so it comes around 1.5 hours, which can be easily completed via drive. And this was to give you an idea about where we are located. Now I would like to tell you about, before jumping right into the programs that we are offering right now for January intake, let me tell you what intakes that we all of CMTN offers and admission criteria. Because in CMTN we don't have requirements like we need 50% for one program and then there's requirement for 70% for another program. All the programs, let it be undergraduate, postgraduate diplomas, let it be associate degrees, for all the programs academic requirement and English test requirements are same. Now intakes that we offer are January, May and September. There are 3 intakes. Right now we are looking forward for January 2021. 2 of the business programs are already full for January 2021, but we are offering them again in May 2021. Our May 2021 intake is also open. Now let me tell you first about admission requirements. For all the programs that I told you that we have, let it be undergraduate, postgraduate diploma or associate degree, academic and English test requirements are same. Academic requirements are 50% overall and 50% in core subjects, and IELTS requirement is overall 6 bands, no band less than 5.5. Now we accept 5.5 not just in one module, also in 2 modules. Let me remind you again, for all the programs, let it be undergraduate, postgraduate, requirement is overall 6 band, no band less than 5.5, let it be in 1 or in 2 module. And if students want to opt through PT, in PT the requirement is 58 overall, and in particular module they should have minimum 54. And if student wants to opt through Duolingo, Duolingo is also accepted by Kosh Mountain College. In Duolingo the requirement is 95. And as far as education gap is concerned, that how much education gap is accepted in Kosh Mountain College. So for undergraduate students we accept educational gap till 4 to 5 years, and for postgraduate students we accept educational gap till 7 to 8 years maximum. So this was all about education gap, academic requirement, English test requirements. Before starting about the programs, I would like to tell all of the viewers that if anyone is having any query, if you have any queries regarding Kosh Mountain College, if you want to discuss your profile, if you have any doubt, do drop your comments into the chat box, do drop your comments into this live session, so that by the end of the session we can have a small Q&A where I can answer all of the questions that are asked by me, that are asked by you. So now we were discussing about programs for January 2021. Let's start with first arts background. So for arts background we offer 2 programs. First is General Studies, Associate of Arts degree. Now all the associate degrees that are offered in Kosh Mountain College, let it be Associate of Arts, Associate of Science, all associate degrees are university credit programs. Students can start with Kosh Mountain College and complete anywhere into university that we have tie up with. We have tie-up with a lot of universities, not just in British Columbia province, even outside British Columbia province, even outside Canada country. So just to name the few universities are UNBC, University of British Columbia, Royal Roads University, and many more. These are just give you an idea that what all universities that we have tie-up with. Now in General Studies, Associate of Arts degree, which would be for 2 years in Coast Mountain College. In this there is no extra requirement, no extra eligibility, additional subject required of mathematics or anything. It's just all the general requirements that we discussed. That IELTS should be 6 no less than 5.5 in 1 or 2 module. Academic should be 50 overall and in core subjects. The another program that we offer for arts background is Criminology Diploma. Now Criminology Diploma again is an undergraduate diploma for 2 years, and in this also all the general requirements, no extra mathematics or any additional subject. After that, for business background, we offer Business Administration Diploma and Post Degree Business Administration Diploma. Now both of this undergraduate and post degree Business Administration Diploma are closed for January intake but are open for May 2021 intake. Let me tell you what are the requirements for both of these diplomas. So for both of the undergraduate and post degree Business Administration Diploma, mathematics subject is mandatory. Students should have studied mathematics if they want to opt for business diploma, but if not mathematics, students should at least have studied statistics or calculus as in subject. Students from BCom background, BBA background have I'm so sorry. So students from BCom background, BBA background have these subjects, that is statistics or calculus. So if not mathematics, statistics or calculus will also work. But now let's assume there's a student who haven't studied mathematics, statistics or calculus, but still want to opt for our undergraduate or post degree Business Administration Diploma. So no worries, we have option for you too, and that option is pre-business program, which by the way is open for January intake. Now what is pre-business program? It's an upgrading program to complete your mathematics requirement. And about the duration, so duration of this program is addition of 4 months. It would be addition of 1 semester. So students who haven't studied mathematics can opt for this program and get admission in leading undergraduate or post degree Business Administration Diploma. Now also let me add one more point. If you're a student in IELTS, you have scored overall 6 bands, no band less than 5 in one module. If you have 5 bands in one module, then also you can opt for pre-business program to complete your English requirements, which is great, right? So if you're a student and you haven't studied mathematics, pre-business program is for you. If you're a student in IELTS, you have scored 6 no less than 5 band in one module, then also you can opt for pre-business program to complete your English requirements, which is great, right? Now after that, after business background, let me talk about science background, the programs that we are offering for science background. So we offer again 2 type of Associate of Science degrees. In first type is General Studies. Again, all the associate degrees are university credit program. Start with CMT and complete anywhere into universities that we have tie up with. The first type of Associate of Science degree is General Studies. Now in General Studies, medical and non-medical, both of the students can opt for this program. If there's a student from physics, chemistry, mathematics background or physics, chemistry, biology background, both of the students can opt for General Studies Associate of Science degree. The another type of Associate of Science degree that we offer is Environmental Geoscience specialization. Again for 2 years in Coast Mountain College, and in this, along with all the general requirements, there's an eligibility for extra subject, and that mandatory subject is biology. Biology subject is mandatory for Environmental Geoscience specialization. After that, we offer Applied Coastal Ecology Diploma. Now Applied Coastal Ecology is an undergraduate diploma for 2 years. In this also, biology subject is mandatory along with all the general requirements. At last of all the programs, we offer Applied Coastal Ecology Post Degree Diploma. Now undergraduate Applied Coastal Ecology is for 2 years, but post degree Applied Coastal Ecology Diploma is for 1 year. And in this, that background of student can apply who should have at least studied one subject of environmental studies in their degree, and that subject can be botany, zoology, any subject related to environmental studies they should have studied if they want to opt for our program, that is post degree Applied Coastal Ecology Diploma. Now these are all the programs that we are offering for January 2021 intake, And now we have talked enough about programs. Yes, and in January both of the business program are closed but are open for May intake. Now we have talked enough about all the programs. Now let me tell you more about why you should choose Coast Mountain College, what support students will be getting from Coast Mountain College. So first of all, to start with, CMTN is a public institution. All the programs that we offer are eligible for post-study work permit. If you opt for 2 years program, you will be getting work permit for 3 years. If you opt for 1 year program, you will be getting work permit for 1 year. Other than that, our class sizes are not more than 15 to 20 students, so that students can get more one-on-one interaction. Rather than having a lecture class, it would be more of like a discussion class. And most of our classes are 3 days a week, so students have enough time to go for part-time job, look for part-time jobs, to explore and have fun, everything. And on campus residence is also available. On campus residence is available in Terrace and in Smithers campus. Students can avail on campus residence in 500 Canadian dollars. Now if they don't want to stay on campus, if they want to go for apartment sharing or homestay, so we help them in that too, so that they are not going and searching hundreds of houses alone. So we are there to guide them, to help them in every possible way. Let it be if they want to strong their resume, or let it be if they need any learning assistance, if they are lacking in any subject and they need learning assistance, we are there to help them in that too. And if they need any education counseling, or we also have 24/7 counseling app. So these are few of the support that I am telling you about. And as it's in public institution, tuition fee is also minimal. Tuition fee of Coast Mountain College comes around 7,000 Canadian dollar for a semester, 14,000 Canadian dollar for an year approximately, in which their health insurance is covered for their first semester. Also, once students get their visa, we conduct a pre-departure session. So it's just a video call of 40-45 minutes, and the reason that we conduct is, we know student is going to a different country. We want student to know more about the locality, even things like according to weather, what they have to pack, how they can get free bicycles over the library card, how they can borrow laptops from our library. Everything is explained in detail to them, so that they are practically ready to go. And if I talk about part-time jobs also, because this is the second most important question that I get from students, that are part-time jobs available, what kind of part-time jobs we can look for, and what kind of wage rate we can look for. So yes, part-time jobs are easily available. Let it be in Terrace, Prince Rupert or Smithers region. Terrace is more of like, we have local retail business over there. We also have few Indians who have their local stores, departmental stores. So students easily get job over there as in cashier, as an accountant. These are just one type of job that I am talking about. And in Prince Rupert, so Prince Rupert is more of surrounded by coastal area. Programs like Applied Coastal Ecology undergraduate and post-degree Applied Coastal Ecology undergraduate and post-degree diploma is conducted over there, and students get first-hand experience. In Prince Rupert, we also have Busy Port, which goes for import and export. So students easily get job. And if I talk about wage rate, so wage rate comes around 13.80 Canadian dollar per hour. So what I can conclude is, you will be getting good opportunities. Let it be for part-time jobs, let it be after completing your program jobs. Wage rate is good, tuition fee is minimal, and you will be getting more of practical knowledge. Coast Mountain College believes more into practical learning. We believe into open space, open your minds. Prior to COVID-19, we used to have field schools also in United States. Due to COVID-19, few of the things are going to change, but there will still be more of practical knowledge, and your cost of living is also minimal. It comes around 25,900 Canadian dollars approximately, which includes your tuition fees, your rent, your meals, basically everything, even textbook and supplies. So what I can say is that it's a good opportunity for a student to stay where there would be not that much of competition, more of practical work, more of experience. Cost tuition fee is minimal, cost of living is also minimal. And these are some of the features that students should choose, that I think that students should choose Coast Mountain College. Now as far as admission process is concerned, so right now we are open for January and May 2021 intake. what you have to do is send all your educational documents to Brain Edge Education Private Limited, so that we can guide you properly that for which program you can opt for. They are our authorized agent, so that we can guide you that which program you are eligible for and how to proceed further. As far as application fee is concerned, there is an application fee of 100 Canadian dollars, and turnaround time for offer letter is 8 to 10 working days. So this is how all the admission process takes place, and these were all the information regarding college, location, campus, opportunities and everything. So let me see if you have, if any of the viewer is having, I would like to repeat this, that if any of the viewer is having any doubt, any queries regarding Coast Mountain College, do drop your comments right away so that I can answer them. I can answer all of your queries. Let's see if we have any questions. I think as of now we are not having that much of questions. We are not having questions, but if at all you are watching this video a little bit later, that when we are not live, do drop your comments, do contact Brain Edge Education Private Limited so that we can provide you information. Now, just before ending the session, I would like to repeat about entry criteria in Coast Mountain College, about academics and English test requirements. So for academic requirements for all the programs, undergraduate, postgraduate diplomas and associate degrees are same. Academic requirement is 50% overall, and in core subjects, and IELTS requirement is 6 no less than 5.5. We accept 5.5 not just in one module but also in 2 modules. And if you want to opt through PTE, in PTE the requirement is 58 overall, and in particular module you should have minimum 54. And if you want to opt through Duolingo, in Duolingo the requirement is 95. As far as education gap is concerned, for undergraduate students we accept till 4 to 5 years education gap, and for postgraduate students maximum till 7 to 8 years education gap is accepted. And at how many backlogs are accepted? So we accept maximum 8 backlogs. So these are all entry requirements. These were all the information that I wanted to provide about Coast Mountain College, and I would like to thanks to all of the viewers for joining this session. I hope this session was informative, and if you have any questions or any queries, do contact us. Have a nice day. Stay safe.